So we're going to put this on the bottom of the feet. And we get a cloth and we put the chopped onion on. Depending on the size of the foot, maybe this was for a little 2-year-old, and you put the foot, the skin of the foot, straight onto the onion. And then you'll wrap this around the foot, or what some people will do is put a sock on and just put it down the sock. But then put a plastic bag on that and you leave it there all night. And I remember being with my daughter and her little boy James, he was 3 at the time. He had a cold and he was coughing. She gave him a hot bath and put him to bed, and he coughed and coughed. After half an hour, still coughing, because we just thought, he'll fall asleep in a minute. But we could see he wasn't going to fall asleep. So we got him up and we got a small onion, cut it in half and put one on each foot and put a sock over the plastic bag, I think, and put him back to bed. Not one more cough, not one cough all night. You almost have to experience it to see how amazing it is. See, the biggest pores in the whole of your body are in the soles of your feet. And anything that touches the soles of the feet, the body will absorb. That's why I'm very fussy about my footwear and about my socks. Because you have nylon socks and your feet get hot, your body's going to absorb that nylon, the chemicals from the nylon. I'm also careful in the summertime what I put my feet on. I always have leather sandals. And this is also why barefoot walking is so good. You've probably heard about earthing, going barefoot on the grass. I'm probably a bit fussy about where I go barefoot on what grass. I'm not going to do that if there are dogs and putting their droppings there. There's a bit of common sense there.